In this video, we understand how to update or modify the record present in a MySQL table. And this code we are going to generate, the front end and back end code of PHP we generate by using projectpixel.in website. So the table we will select from MySQL. The database name is employee.db, and the table name is employees, and which contains employee number, department, employee name, gender, address, email, mobile, and photo are the columns. So it contains 101 and 103. These records we are going to update. But we search and update the records based upon the primary key column employee number. So this is the column that on which we are going to update the record. So we generate the code, and this code we are going to add into employee management system project. This is the project that we have been developing from the first video. So this is the employee main menu. When I select here update, then update page should be displayed where we have to search the record and we have to update the record. For this we are going to generate the web page and backend code using projectpixel.in. Therefore, first of all, I log into the site, and this is Vamshi is the email address, username, and OTP that I got mobile is this is, and login. Here I click on develop pages and select PHP as a language, and MySQL is the database product, and the server is local host, and database name is employees.db, and database username is root in my computer, and password is empty, and table name is employees table, and type of page I would like to construct here, it is update record. So here I have to update the record. Before updation I have to search the record. So on which column you would like to search for updation? Employee number. This is the integer data type column, and the text box I would like to provide is number type, and say what required field. And I click on what submit, and save web page is I say update employee.php is the extension. So give the submit action file, means after updating the record, which page it should be displayed in the browser. The same web page means update employee.php we have to display after updating the record. Therefore I give hash in shortcut. Then menu, what is the kind of menu that you would like to show in update employee.php web page? That menu is same menu. This is the menu, admin menu only we would like to display. So we give the admin menu file name. This is the menu file name that is present here. See, admin menu. I will open this admin menu web page. You can see that. So this is employees, and this is update. So this is the menu I would like to add to this update employee menu.php. So that is admin menu.php. And what is the form width that you would like to have for updation is 70%, let's say, and the background color also we will provide whatever the background color you select, that background color. Okay, document color also you can give, or you can use a background image file. Okay, so therefore now give the column names, which columns that you would like to modify present in the table. So I give employee number, department, and all the columns present in the table I am giving. But these column names should be exact match as that of the column names present in the employee table. So after giving this column name separating with comma, and just click on next and select the template. This is what I am going to say is update record template I am selecting, and download the page. So once the download is completed, now open containing folder, and you copy this particular file and paste in your EMS project. This is what I am going to paste it. Now in the admin menu, now I am going to do the changes. So for update, I have to navigate to update employee.php. So just save it. So when we click on this update hyperlink, it will show this web page where the record is going to be updated. Now we go to the browser and select, just refresh the page first of all, and employees, and I select what, update. Now search the record. Let's say 103 is the record that I will search. So this is what is showing, record found. This is the record that is showing. Now this 103 accounts, 70 female, and address, and this one all it is giving. So mobile number I am changing like this. 70. I would like to go for 71. So this is what the address I would like to change to, 4-4-4. Like this you can do changes, but don't do the changes to the employee number because it is an employee is a primary key column. If you try to change also, it will not change because it is a read only control. So anything that you can change. So click on what, update. Now record updated successfully. Now the same 103, I click on the submit, and you see that the address is changed, 71M is changed, mobile number is also changed. Like this, whatever the changes that you would like to do, you can update based upon the employee number. If you want to modify another employee number, 101, you can do here. So do the changes and click on the update button, and we'll check whether in the database the record is updated or not. See, 70 333, this is the previous record. I refresh this particular thing, click on the browse. So now you can see that 103 record, 71M and 444 as the address, and mobile number changed to 232 something random number. So this is how we have generated this update employee code in PHP in the project pixel.in website.